Hi guys, James here from Hayes Machinery, and today we're going to show you through the Nugent General Purpose trailers. The Nugent General Purpose trailers come in two different sizes, 8'2" by 4'2" and 10 foot by 5 foot, with two different axle options. So on both trailers you can either have twin axle or single axle. So here we have one of each, both twin axle trailers. We've got the 8'2" by 4'2" and the 10 foot by 5 foot. Both have got the mesh side optional extras, which is very common when buying the general purpose trailer. It gives you a lot more scope when wanting to put stuff in them. As with all the Nugent trailers, it's not just a metal box. They always go the extra mile when it comes to building a trailer. As with all Nugent trailers, they come with a fully welded chassis all the way through, so including the spring hangers. So the bit the leaf spring joins onto is welded to the chassis rather than bolted. As with all the others, they come with a parabolic equalizer on the leaf spring suspension. So you've got the leaf spring, and then you've got one shock absorber underneath the leaf spring and another larger one on the top. The lower one takes out your general road noise and vibration, and then your top one, if you go through something unexpected like a drain, pothole or something else unexpected, that top shock absorber takes out all of that energy that normally goes up through your trailer, onto your load and into your vehicle. So the general purpose trailers come as standard with the standard bulb lights, but you can have the optional extra on the LEDs. All the general purposes are braked, so there's the smallest range of trailers that Nugent produce, which have the brakes and handbrake and everything all integral within the trailer, and the lockable hitch on the front. So Nugent don't hold back when building a trailer that's going to last, with a robust chassis and structure all the way through the trailer. As you can see here, they're not afraid to add strength where is needed. So the high mesh sides, which are available as an optional extra, are very easy to take off. You literally got the two linch pins on the front, which pop out like so, and then a bolt on the back, which you undo there. And you just literally pull out the front of the one and lift that side out. The same with the ladder rack on the front, which is available as a separate optional extra from the high mesh sides, and that can then again just bolts on the front which hold that in solid. If you do go for the mesh high side option, I definitely recommend having the internal load latch as an optional extra, because when the high mesh sides are on, it does leave it a little bit difficult to be able to latch onto things. So if you've got the internal sprung load latches, at least then if you put something in the back of the trailer, you've got something to tie it to. The spare wheel kit is an optional extra on the general purpose trailer, as is the bracket to be able to hold that on with. Both these trailers are fitted with the full ramp tail door, but you can also have the option of the short door on the back if you didn't need a ramp. But the ramps very easily come undone with the threaded latch here. They just undo and flip up round, and then you can let the tailboard down like so. It is a reinforced tailboard, which is suitable for ride-on lawnmowers, quad bikes, chippers, stump grinders, lots of other wheeled pieces of equipment to go in, or if you just wanted to use the trailer to be able to use wheelbarrows up the ramp to be able to tip it into the trailer, it makes it very, very versatile. But the ramps aren't suitable for things like diggers and heavy plant. If you do need to put diggers and heavy plant onto a trailer, then we do the Nugent plant trailer range, which is more suitable to that purpose. So the ramps go back up nice and easily as well, and they've also got rubber bump stops, so when you put the trailer up you don't get that clanging and banging, and then it also creates a nice fixture for when you do up your threaded latch for them to fix into, so you don't get any wobble in the back of your trailer. So the flooring in both these trailers is the 18mm plywood birch resin floors. So that's what the standard floor they come with, but you can also have the aluminium floor if you wanted, the checker plate flooring. They are fitted with the 13-inch standard steel wheel, which come with a 165 by 13-inch tyre. So there we have all the features and benefits of the Nugent general purpose trailers. As I said, you can either get them in 8'2" by 4'2" or 10 foot by 5 foot, with the high mesh sides, optional aluminium floors, spare wheel kits, LED lights, internal floor lashes. There's lots of different optional extras on them. As you can see, they're a step above everything else that's on the market. So if you've got any more questions or queries on the Nugent trailers or the general purpose or any other of their range that they do, please don't hesitate to give us a call. Thanks for watching.